Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will demonstrate how to add shadows to a graphical element in Canva. Okay, so just before I get into that very quick tutorial, I'd like to point out a link in the description to this video which will take you to a free trial version of Canva which you can utilize, like I said, for completely free. So once you watch the video and you've decided that you want to try it out, click that link and then you can do so in a couple of clicks. So as you can see here, I've got a very simple template set up in front of me with some graphical elements in here. I'm just going to select one of them with a single left click and say if I wanted to add a drop shadow now to this element here, I'd select edit image, and the quickest way to find it took me a while actually today to find this again because it doesn't appear as obvious, you know, it's kind of tucked away down the bottom there a little bit with a bit of a symbol that doesn't really look like a shadow, but as you can see, is typing the letters SH to the search bar at the top, you get the shadow effect. So when you single click that, that'll let you then use that shadow effect and then apply that to the element that you've got selected. If you want to kind of, you know, utilize some different shaped shadows, you can do so there with those different presets that you've got, and you can see that it's applied that there already now. And then if I want to edit that a little bit further, you can see that I can hit those little slider controls there and single click, and that'll let me then edit the settings of that shadow. So you can see if you look underneath the image here, when I offset that shadow, it sort of grows underneath it a little bit. I can take the curve back that we applied just now a little bit if I want to as well, and blur it to make it look maybe a little bit more realistic and a little bit less sort of jarring. And then once you're happy with what you've sort of constructed shadow wise, if you hit apply, you can see that that's now got that shadow, you know, right on that picture there. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So as a very quick recap, select your image, hit edit, and then hit SH into that little search bar at the top, and that'll bring you up to the shadow options then as well. So obviously you've got a sort of range of shadows to play around with and have a go and see what they've got built into it. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, if you want to try Canva out now, you can click the link in the description below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, then you can just subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. And if you want to see any videos in the future, if you've got any questions that you need answering, leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.